Everyone stop writing. Maxima or minima. To find maxima or minima, what we need to do is, first thing, we need to find f of x. We have to take one function f of x. Once we got the function f of x, what we need to do is find f dash of x. We have to differentiate that f of x function, we will get f dash of x. After you get f dash of x, you have to take that f dash of x value to 0 and find x1 and x2, or x1 or single x2, or both. What you have to find after getting f dash of x, we have to take f dash of x equals to 0, find x1, x2. Then find f double dash of x. In the next step, what we will do, we will find f double dash of x. Once we get f double dash of x, we will substitute x1 in f double dash of x, and we will substitute x2 in f double dash of x. If f double dash of x less than 0, we will substitute x1 in f double dash of x. If f double dash of x1 is less than 0, less than means f has maximum value. At x1, that is f of x1. If put x2 in f double dash of x, if x2 is greater than 0, f has minimum value at x2, that is f of x2. These steps you can understand once we will start the problem. Question number 8. From a rectangular sheet of dimension 30 by 80, four equal squares of side x meter, x centimeter are removed. At corners. And sides are turned up to form a rectangular box. Find value of x so that volume of box is greatest or maximum. Question is given to you. You will not get anything once you have to know all the steps of this. From a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 by 80, it means there is a sheet, cardboard sheet we have, rectangular sheet. Rectangle means they have given dimensions to us, these two. Length and breadth is given to us. breadth is 30, length is 80. We can't take this is 30 and that is 80. Big part is 80 and that is 30. Clear? Stepwise you can understand this one, very easy. From a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 by 80, 4 equal size squares of size x centimeter are removed from the corners. Means what? Measuring this one, x and x on scale, x suppose 5 centimeter from corners, and I am cutting one box from that one. Same size box is also removed from here, x, this is also x then. Okay. From here also we have removed one box, same length, suppose it is 5 or suppose it is x. Remove. After removing this corner, it will look like this one. Okay. What we will do? We will turn this one up. If I turn this one, from here I am turning up, from here I am turning up, it looks like a tray. Isn't it or not? It looks like a box. If I turn these corners up, so it becomes a cuboid. After turning up, it will be a cuboid. Now what we need? Form of rectangular box. It becomes what? A rectangular box, a tray. Because we are turning this one up, and in that form we have turned that one up. What we have to do is, whenever we will get rectangular box, we will write dimensions now. Dimensions of box. Box is in form of rectangle, so length, breadth and height you will get. What will be the length here?
80.
Yeah. Box, I am saying box, not rectangular sheet. Sheet is 80. For box, we have removed this x and x from here, na?
80 minus
80 minus
x.
2x. From here 1x, from here 1x. So this box length is decreased. Box corners are removed, na? Corners can contain x and x is removed.
30 minus 2x.
So length of the box is 80 minus 2x. Length of rectangle is 80. No doubt. Rectangular box dimensions we are writing now. Breadth is
30 minus 2x.
and height. Tell me height. This is a tray, na? I am turning this one up, this one up. How much we are making it up?
X.
X centimeters only we are making it up. So we have to take this as x. So these are all in centimeters. Clear? First step. Whenever a rectangular sheet is given to you, if you copy at the time of writing, you will fail. Write it in your bold letters and keep it with you. Sir told like this, if you will write at the time of explanation, you will fail. Intelligent girls, I saw many of them. From past many years I am seeing, na? Those who will concentrate and they will write. Why you are writing? This is already recorded and I am giving time also for copying. Dimensions of a box we need. Length, breadth and height. 3 things. From this rectangular sheet we are forming a box. Which box we are forming? A rectangular box. By removing x corners from all the 4 corners, we are removing x centimeter. X square centimeter. Square box, na? Then we are turning this up to form a rectangular box. When rectangular box is given, you should know the dimensions. L, B, H, or you have only 8 questions of this kind. So by heart, length is 80 minus 2x, breadth is 30 minus 2x and height is x. Okay, all are in centimeters. Now what we have to do is, what they are asking us to find. Value of x. Volume of box is greatest. Now you should know the volume of a box or volume of cuboid. 10th class. Mensuration unit. Volume of cuboid.
BH.
Yes. L into B into H. We have to write volume of box is equals to length into breadth into height of it. Length we have 30 minus 2x and x. These two I am multiplying here. 80 into 30. Okay, those who are 80 minus 2x you can write as it is. This x you can multiply these two. Now to multiply two brackets, first 80 will write and the bracket, same bracket. Then minus 2x is there. 30x minus 2x is there. Then what we have? 8 3s. 2400x. 160x square. 6x square. 60x square plus 4x cube. Now we'll write in order. If you don't want to write in order also it's okay. X cube, 4x cube is positive. Both are negative. Then what we have? Plus 2400x. Volume of box we got. That is our f of x. First step is over. What we got first? We have f of x now. Once we have f of x, we have to follow those steps. If you follow those steps, you will get this value of x. First thing, what we'll do? Once we got f of x, what we have to do? Yes, we need to find f dash of x. To find f dash of x, what we need to do? Yes, we have to differentiate both sides. So for outside, d by dx of x cube minus 220 d by dx of x square plus 2400 d by dx of x. Now d by dx of f of x is f dash of x. 4 into derivative of x cube. X square minus 220 into x square or x? X square is 2 into x for 2 minus 1, 2x plus 2400 into 1. So f dash of x will be 12x square minus 440x plus 2400. This is f dash of x. We have f of x. Second step is over. Now put f dash of x equals to 0. F dash of x means whatever answer. Equal to 0. Now can we cancel with any common multiple from this one? 4. 4 is common. 4 3s are 12. 4 1/10. 4 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. 600. We have divided this one by 4. 4 3 is 12. 4 110. 4 6 are 24. 00 as it is. Now we have to find factors of this one. To find factors of this one, what we will do, we will multiply first and last. 1800. 110 means 90 into 20. You can remember that otherwise. Minus 90 minus 20, because I can't explain polynomials from 10th class. Factorization you should know. If you don't know factorization, remember for now. 110 we can write as minus 90 minus 20. Copy that itself up to here. Only that column. First, to find maxima and minima, steps to find maxima and minima you can write. Steps. Step 1, we have to get f of x. Step 2, we have to get f dash of x. This is put x f double, if this is f double dash of x1 is less than 0, f has maximum value at x1, that is, this is IE, that is f of x1. Put x2 in f double dash of x2, f has minimum value at x3, x2, that is f of x2. Anyhow you will get now. Copy it now. Those who have not copied, they can follow video and copy afterwards. Check. Once we got this, what I told you to remember, factors for this one, 3x square minus 90x minus 20x plus 600. Now what is common?
X.
3x is common, x minus 30, minus 20 is common, x minus 30. So x minus 30, 3x minus 20 into brackets now. X minus 30 equal to 0 or, so x will be 30 or 1x will be 20 by 3. Clear till here? What we got starting f of x. See, all problems from here have same three things. F of x, f dash of x equal to 0, x1, x2. Two values now, first is x1, second is x2, suppose. Now what is the next step which we have? F double dash of x is there, na? We have to write f of x, this box now. F dash of x we have to write once again. Don't take 0. Keep in mind, don't take 0 here. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. D by dx to left side. 12 into d by dx of x square minus
40 d by dx of x plus 20.
d by dx of 2400. We have to take this f dash of x box, differentiate both sides. D by dx we have applied. F dash of x becomes what? F double dash of x. 12 into x square derivative is 2x. 440 into 1. 24x minus 440. Here, from here onwards, you have lot of confusion there. Na? Till here it is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
F of x, then find f dash of x with differentiated both sides. Then put f dash of x equal to 0. Whatever answer you got, take that answer and equate with 0. Find x1, x2. Then again take this box, differentiate both sides, and you'll get f double dash of x. Once you got f double dash of x, you have to substitute first value. Put x1 means first value of x in f double dash of x. So what you will get, check this one, f double dash of 30 equals to 24 into 30 minus 440. 24 into 30, 720 minus 440, 280. Now what we have to do is, again we have to take second value. Put x equals to 20 by 3 in f double dash of x. So f double dash of, first we conclude this one. Once we got this positive value, f double dash of x greater than or less than? Greater than 0, because 220 is positive. If it is greater than 0, f has minimum value at x equals to 30, which we don't require. We need to get volume of box maximum. Latest means maximum. So then we'll again take f, put f x equals to 20 by 3 in f double dash of x. Now f double dash of 20 by 3, 24 into 20 by 3 minus 440. 260. 160 minus 440 minus 280. Negative value. We can write here f double dash of whatever x2 is less than 0. Less than 0 or not?
Yes.
Negative value means less than 0. We have to write f as maximum value. Greatest they have as na greatest or maximum value at, they are asking that itself. Find the value of x for greatest, means for maximum. So f has maximum value at x is equals to 20 by 3. Check once again. Compulsory questions you will be getting in final exam. Out of that 7 questions you will get one definite question. Maximum 90% people will not do these questions because of this lengthy process. But you can easily one by one, only differentiation is there, not other thing. Those who are new, they can follow first 4 videos of derivatives, then they can do this one, they will get this. New students, because derivative, applying d by dx on both sides, that lot of things you need to learn to get this answer. First thing, from question we have to get f of x. How to get f of x? Because it is a rectangular box, the dimension should be L, B, H, and dimension of this is, after getting the dimensions, what we will do, we will find volume of box L into B into H. That means volume of cuboid we have to take. Then after multiplying all the 3 values, that too you have to be good in simplification. If 3 terms are there, make it 2 by multiplying this one here. Then 2 brackets are there. How to multiply first one into both, second one into both? You will get one equation. Write the equation in order. That is f of x. Once we got the volume, we have to check volume is maximum or not. To get maximum, you should find maximum or minimum concept process. Once we have f of x, find differentiate both sides, you will get f dash of x. Second step is over. Once you got f dash of x, put that answer of f dash of x equal to 0, then get simplified it in factorization method. So you will get 2 factors. If those who don't know the factors, after this step, they can remember the answers. X is 30 and 20 by 3. For this question, x equals to 30 and x equals to 20 by 3. No need of doing then factorization. Remember the 2 values. Now what we have to do? After getting those values, write f dash of x once again. Don't take 0. By taking 0, you will get values. Without taking 0, write f dash of x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then you will get f double dash of x. Once we got f double dash of x, write in box. Then first value x equal to 30, we have to substitute. Check whether the answer is positive or negative. If the answer is positive, means greater than 0, f has minimum value. For greater, minimum we will take. For less value, we will take maximum. Then we will write f as minimum value at x equals to 30. That is f of 30. No need of finding in this problem. Next is put x equals to 20 by 3 in f double dash of x. Again, f double dash of x, what we are substituting? Second value. After substitution of second value, if the answer is negative, we can write f double dash of 20 by 3 is less than 0. So f has maximum value at x equals to 20 by 3. See, box is greatest, so that the volume of box is greater. Find the value of x. At what value of x the maximum value will get? For value of 20 by 3.